Hey guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to Jess Basics, and today we will be having another unboxing video and a quick review of another pan and tilt Wi-Fi security camera, which is the Annke Creator 2. If you've been watching my channel guys, we've been unboxing different kinds of CCTV cameras. So last January, Annke sent us this pan and tilt Wi-Fi security camera, and I haven't had enough time to unbox this, but now we're doing it finally. This is the Annke Creator 2 guys, and I'll be doing a quick review of this, so please watch until the end. And I've been using this pan and tilt Wi-Fi security camera for almost 7 months now, so I think this would be enough to give a review for that long period of time, so keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing guys. So it comes with this small box, and inside you'll see the camera straight away wrapped in plastic. Beside it is the documentation. Then under it, there is a tiny box with the screws, USB cable, and a power adapter. This is my first time seeing a camera like this with a USB cable, so this can actually work with a power bank. Amazing, right? So next, let's do the initial setup. So the first thing that you need to do, of course, is to download their app, which is the My Annke app. So search nyo na lang guys, like the My Annke app sa Play Store, and then install it. So when installed, you can log in. If you have your credentials already, you can use your credentials on logging in. And if not, you have to register one. All you need is your email address. Okay, once that is done, let us open the app. So here you can see your security cameras. So let's add the camera. Here you just click the plus sign button, then select Smart Camera. Then just follow the instruction. Now you have two methods of configuring the camera. First is by sound, where the phone will play a tune and then the camera listens to it. And then the other one is scanning the QR code. After successfully configuring the network connection, you can now customize the device name and its location. And after that, you can now see the Creator 2 in the device list. Alright, so now let's look at some features. First is the resolution. The resolution is 3 megapixels. I think that's enough. So it should have reasonable image quality. Next is the one key alarm, where you can just click the icon and it will sound an alarm like this. Most of the CCTVs or CCTV camera apps, I think, have like this. Next is the two-way audio feature. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Next is the pan and tilt. Well, in this category, I think most of it, or if not, all pan and tilt camera is somewhat slow in responding to pan and tilt movement. But I think it's bearable for me. Another feature is the human detection, which is, unfortunately, I cannot give you or get it to work, but the motion detection works, although it's a bit dodgy. Anyway, last feature, which is I think most pan and tilt cameras have in two options on storage, which is either the local storage or the cloud storage, or both. Okay, so that is the features of the Annke Creator 2 guys. So I've been using this for 6 months, and this is what I can say about this pan and tilt security camera. First is that I think it's durable guys. We live nearby the sea, and this kind of environment is most of our appliances doesn't stay or work that long enough, you know what I mean. And this Annke Creator 2 has been doing good and doing fine for the past 6 months that we've been using it, since January to now. I actually placed our camera on our tool shed, and here on our place, it's very notorious having sudden blackouts and the like. So most of our appliances are having problems due to those sudden blackouts, and this pan tilt camera is still working up until now, so that's kind of surprising for us. Now with its image quality, I guess it's okay, and regarding with the night vision, I'm also satisfied with the night vision of the Annke Creator 2. Now, if you're trying to check or to access the Annke Creator 2 with your to check your recordings and stuff, is I highly recommend that you should go nearer to your Wi-Fi or to your router to easily access it. Unfortunately, guys, I cannot give any review regarding with their cloud storage because I did not avail any storage. Alright, so overall with the Annke Creator 2, guys, I can give it a thumbs up. And for the past 6 months, I said I did not, like what I've said, that we did not have any other problems regarding with this pan-tilt Wi-Fi security camera. So that's it, and thank you so much for watching up until this part of the video, guys. If ever you want to purchase this product, I can give you a link on the description box where you can buy this Annke Creator 2. And yeah, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, you can always check other videos on my channel as well. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and share this video as well. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.